There's a song that says, "Why are you waiting? Why are we waiting? Why are we waiting?" Waiting actually is not one of the best characteristics that describe us as human beings. We find it a challenge, a struggle to wait. So today I'm going to be talking about what to do while you're waiting. So welcome to me, where we motivate, educate, and engage one another on topics that impact on us and our communities, on our families, on our friends, and our loved ones. Why are you waiting? So waiting is not, like I said before, waiting is not really a good characteristic or something that we relate to easily, whether young or old, children or adults. Waiting is not a nice feeling. We want it now. That's how it is. But have you ever considered in this time that waiting at there are times that we don't plan it, but we have to wait at the doctor's. You've got an appointment with the doctor, you've got an appointment with the surgery, you've got an appointment in your child's school, and they said, "Oh, give us a minute, we'll be with you in the next 20 minutes." Or you've got to wait on the phone. They keep you waiting forever. What about waiting to get an application sorted? What about waiting to get your immigration status sorted? A lot of people have been in the country for years. They've gone through all the legal channels and they're just waiting to get a good response from the Home Office. And it's not always a nice feeling. But what do we do while we are waiting? I just wanted to let us know that if we plan to do something while we are waiting, it will make it less painful. It will be much easier. I'm not saying that it will be completely easy, but at least you're making good use of your time while you are waiting. So number one, why don't you relax? Man, what can we do? There's so many things. What will worry? Actually, let me ask. Your worrying will not make the situation quicker or faster. You're waiting for something to happen now, and you're worrying about it. It's not going to make it come faster. So why don't you try as much as possible to relax? We all need to. So maybe while you're waiting for that housing situation to be sorted, I've spoken to people so many times. I said, we've been bidding for years. It's been such a long time. I said, you know what? While you're waiting for that to happen, why don't you make your place as comfortable and nice and relax in it? I remember years ago when I was placed in temporary accommodation, and they told us specifically that, look, we're putting you in this place, but you might be here for the next 2 years. So me and my husband just said, you know what, let's just make it comfortable and just chill out. Let's enjoy where we are while we are here, because my hustling or my bustling will not do anything much about it. And when the right time did come, in fact, less than the time we expected, we were given another place. So while we are waiting, why don't you learn how to, relax? To maybe you're in an office somewhere, you're waiting for an interview. You can, listen to music. You can do different things while you are waiting. It will make it easier. What about if you're at home or you're in the office or anything you're doing and you're waiting? You can make a phone call. Maybe you can look through your phone. I remember, was it yesterday? I think, yeah, it was. We were doing that. We're shooting. We're shooting a video somewhere, and I said, I'm waiting for these guys to finish. So what can I do? So I quickly picked up my phone. I quickly responded to text messages. I quickly responded to phone calls. I was not just waiting there to say, oh, what are they doing now? Oh, he's wasting too much time. Oh, she's messed up again. Now I've got to wait for another 20 minutes. No, I asked myself, what could I do? What can I do while I'm waiting for them to finish this? And we can all do that. So maybe there's a phone call that needs to be made. Maybe there's a text message that needs to be sent. We can do that while we're waiting. The same thing with our planning. I'm going back to what I did yesterday. I've had so much to do, and I was thinking, oh, this is eating into the time I have to do my reports and things. And I thought, you know what? I can still plan. So I was there with them, and I was planning in my head, okay, when I finish here, I can do this. I can quickly write this up. I can quickly send this message. I can quickly go to this place. So you can plan. The same thing with life. You're waiting until, I don't have a job yet. So why can't you plan while you're waiting for that job to happen? Why don't you plan while you're waiting to go on holiday? Why don't you plan? So it's about planning, reviewing what you've done and say, okay, I might not have this now, but I can plan to plan for my education. Once my immigration gets sorted, let me plan, let me speak to people, let me do some research, let me do some, explore what can happen, what can I do, what is out there for me. That is part of planning. So you might not be sorted out legally in terms of your immigration, but you can say, you know what, while I'm waiting for that, I'm not just going to be sitting down on my oars and just waiting for life to happen. I can actually plan. So while you're waiting, you can plan. And while you're waiting, you can also dream. That sounds odd, doesn't it? Dream. I love dreaming. I'm not saying dreaming just for the sake of sitting down, you're not doing anything and you're just dreaming about earning the millions of pounds and dollars. No, but you can dream about how better life could be, because dreaming actually puts things in perspective. And I'm just realizing so many dreams I've had so many years ago, I'm actually seeing them come to pass now. I'm seeing them happen now. And I'm telling you, I used to sit in a classroom and it's like, while I'm waiting for me to finish this apprenticeship, what do I dream about? What do I want to get to? What's my passion in life? These are things we can do, because let me just tell you, one of the things I've realized that as people, we're so busy with at the time that we never have time to reflect. And reflection involves dreaming big dreams. I'm not saying that everything will happen, but you need to dream. And then finally, why don't you socialize? Why don't you mix with people? Why don't you go out? Don't stay at home. Don't isolate yourself, because you will be depressed if you just shut yourself away because things have not happened the way you plan. While you are waiting, let's do things. And I tell you, the time will go quicker than you think and you will get things done. So while you're waiting, things are happening. Take care and see you next time on Me.